want to go over the nature of this market and talk about why we continue to have short trades in our portfolio. So the question becomes, is this a bull market or a bear market? I want to show you some price action on an intraday basis that represents what I'm looking at. So this is an intraday chart, but it can also be applied to a daily chart. And so in the case of a bull market and bear market, you have prices moving up. We saw this week a little bit of what prices moving up. And then it's gradually rotates. And so you have this gradual chop. It looks like a pullback. It's gradual and then sudden. It goes down. And so you can apply that same principle to daily charts, and I'm going to do that as well. I'm actually going to go with weekly charts on this. And you see the Nasdaq futures weekly charts. You see a long uptrend right here. And then it's pulled back. And so the concept here is the pre-pandemic highs, pandemic, and then a massive move higher, much higher than it should have gone. And so we're here, but higher than the pandemic highs. And so the question becomes, is this a bear market? Technically, if it's 20% off its highs, it's a bear market. But if it's still much higher than it has been recently in the past year or two, after a big blow-off move from Fed stimulus, is it really a bear market? Are things really that bad? And so right now, this is certainly a bull market. This is neither a bull or a bear market, in my opinion, the way it's traded. Technically, it's 20% off its highs, but the intraday price action has not represented a real bear market. It's been hard to short. There's no capitulation. There's no fear. VIX has been low. The markets keep bouncing all the time. And so this is a repricing period. And it's the gradual and then sudden. And so this is what we could see. I'm surprised the gradual has lasted so long. And I think we could see the sudden. This is just something to look for. It may not happen, but with the Fed policy increasing tightening, and this market continues to move down in anticipation of a Fed pivot, and the Fed doesn't pivot. We have inflation and recession, and you know all the fundamentals that we talk about. I won't go into all that, but just the price action of bull market, repricing, bear market. And so that could be what we see. We see it on intraday charts. We see it on daily charts. We haven't had real strong selling intraday, but we keep those short signals in our strategies because I think we're going to get to a place where there is a better cycle for shorting the market. So to answer the question, based on my analysis, based on the way the markets trade, this has neither been a bull nor a bear market lately since January's highs, flashes of both, but real consistently we haven't seen a cycle of real selling and that we normally see in a bear market. So we're due for that, in my opinion. So that's how I see it. May not play out that way, but that's what we're looking at, and that's why we're keeping short signals in our portfolio instead of just long only. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.